Welcome to VistaCreate Design Tips. Design principles are rules that help us arrange elements in a more balanced composition. We'll explore 4 of them: proximity, alignment, space, and balance. Let's start with proximity. Proximity is how we group visual elements in a composition. It creates connections between components so that they're perceived as structured and organized. In practice, proximity turns scattered words into a message, and multiple photos into a collage. Proximity goes hand in hand with alignment. Alignment is how we organize visual elements relative to an imaginary or horizontal line. It brings order to a design. Here are a few examples. A composition looks more organized as we align elements according to an imaginary line. The following design principle is space. Space is the distance between, above, below, or within visual elements. Space makes a design look cohesive. Take a look at the examples. And last but not least, balance. Balance is how we distribute the visual weight of elements. It adds more harmony to a design. There are 2 types of balance. Symmetrical creates a mirror image. It doesn't require the same elements on both sides, but they should be similar in number and shape, whether it's an image and a text block or 2 similar images. Asymmetrical balance doesn't rely on symmetry. Small elements on one side from the center can be balanced with bigger ones on the other side, just like these examples. It becomes more apparent with practice. Before creating a composition, divide your elements into 2 blocks, text and image. Let's focus on a text block first. It looks scattered, which means it needs fixing. Much better. The next step is to adjust the distance within a text block. Make sure that the distance around the edges is more considerable than in between elements. To finish up, center elements in your design. Time to review the most common mistakes. Mind the proximity. Keep your text block holistic. Remember to align your text block and call to action with your image. Don't place elements too close or too far from each other. Don't leave one side of your composition empty. Think balance. Apply your knowledge in practice and design with VistaCreate.